getting back home in Safaricom, we do run ethics awareness sessions. And it all begins at home. So every other year, in fact we do it every year, we will talk to our staff, we talk to them about current challenges that we face, first of all as a business, we face as a country. And besides that, we also ask them to talk to us if they have, if they have any particular issues. And I do have ethics champions in each and actually every section. And then of course, externally, we have over 400 suppliers. We do have thousands of M-Pesa agents. We do have about over 400 dealers. And of course, this is a huge ecosystem. And one of the challenges that they do have is that because most of them are small and medium-sized businesses, they have a lot of challenges. And I remember one of our partners coming to me and saying, Nick, if today I was to tell you what has been happening to me, because you guys have been trying to defraud me, or they have been soliciting for bribes to give me business, then I fear that I'm going to lose my business. And and it was a very huge wake-up call for all of us, because we're asking ourselves, why is it that our partners are not coming to talk to us? Why is it that they are not telling us that they are going through a lot of problems through in the process of getting business with us? And the reason was simple. The guy said, if I report them, they are going to know. They are going to know, and in the process I will lose my business. And once I lose the business, then how will then my kids go to school? Very pertinent question. And therefore, of course, you go back and say, fine, I'm going to offer you protection. And the guy will look at you and say, I know you are not in a position of offering me protection. And that's the dilemma that I'm just trying to discuss with you today. And therefore, going back, and because of the level and because of the discussions we've held at the very top management, we said, yes, if any of our suppliers or any of our partners becomes my whistleblower, I'm going to protect them. As long as they are doing the right thing, as long as they are performing as they should, then I will ensure that they get the next contract. And we've done that, for a few of them. And I stand before you to say that is something that, I have been saying we must do. And I want to challenge all of us here, because all of you are business leaders. If you have those kind of people, if you have those kind of partners, then it is important to support them. Because if all of us here do that, then of course we shall improve.